Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers, out here with the King Piers Cartel, Overland Park. We've raised this garage about 3 inches, roughly. It's level. Look how perfect that door. There was a big gap up at the top. It's gone now. Total of 7 piers in here. Caught my guys eating lunch. Our guys eat lunch on site. We don't run to Hardee's, McDonald's. We stay right here. They fix their lunch, eat it, go back to work. Best men in town right here. All right. King Piers, Overland Park. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.